What is up, everyone? Andrew Buck Michael back with another round of your weather bucket questions. Thanks, everyone who's left their questions on this post pinned to the top of my Facebook page. So here is what we are going to answer today. First question coming in from Paula. Are we going to have a real winter? It does look like we're going to have a real winter, just like every winter. Some winters are a little worse than others. It all is going to come down to where the jet stream sets up. Right now, it looks like La Nina will likely rule the winter, which means we're going to have a wetter than normal winter for a lot of the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. It all comes down to how far south that jet stream dives. Farther south it dives, the colder it is, more snow we'll have. So we'll keep an eye on that for early December. Josh asking, what date will we have our first snow in Columbus? We really don't know that until we get into some colder air and start seeing it a little bit closer. Right now, it's still too warm here in the middle of October. However, we have had snow in early October before. The 10th of October is the earliest measurable snow we've ever had, but I think we still got some time before we get any snow. Last question coming in from Donna. What kind of rain gauge do meteorologists use? What's an ideal place to install one? Great question. The best thing is get it far away from the house or trees, because if it rains and it hits that, it's going to bounce down into that rain gauge. So you want it completely out in the open, away from trees or buildings. As far as brand goes, there's a lot of great weather stations or rain gauges that are out there. I wouldn't recommend one over the other, but always check those reviews if you're trying to buy one. As always, thanks to all the weather questions. Then we'll add more to the next round for your weather bucket questions. Just leave yours.